Enum is a way of giving more friendly name to a numeric value. They allow us to declare a set of named constants. For example, we have days of a week, right? So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, right? So we can define an enum like enum day of week, and here we can define Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So this is my enum, and next we will be declaring we will be declaring one variable of type let's say we want to assign a value to the variable a day of week as number, which is equals to my enum is day of week, and I want to assign that as a Saturday. Okay, so let's print this value. Let's from 0 to Sunday, like 6th, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So Saturday should give us 5, value of 5. Let's see, let's print this console.log and day of week. So let's see what value it has to give. It will return. Let us compile. Let us first compile this. So tsc and the file name TypeScript, and it will give me the JavaScript, and that JavaScript file I can run through Node. So it gives me 5, 0 1 2 3 4 5. And that's all about enums.